Hello, young champs. Today's story is The Three Brothers. There was a father who was constantly troubled by his three sons. They were always fighting and never able to get along. The father knew he had to teach them an important lesson about unity. One day, he called his sons together and handed the oldest a single stick. "Break it," he said. The son easily snapped the stick in half. Then, the father took 3 sticks and tied them together with a piece of string. He handed the bundle to his youngest son and said, "Now, try to break these." The youngest son gripped the bundle and tried to break it, but it didn't budge. He passed it to his brothers, and they struggled too, but no one could break the bundle of sticks. The father smiled and said, "You see, individually, each stick is easy to break. But when they are together, they are strong and unbreakable. The same goes for you three. If you stand together and support each other, you'll be strong and unbreakable." The sons looked at each other and realized their father was right. They promised to work together and support each other from that day on. Moral: unity is strength. Based on the story, try to answer the questions: what did father give to the youngest son? Write your takeaway from the story. Stay tuned for